Welcome to the Upnlive show. Sir, how you doing today?
Thank you, Rick, for having me, man.
Yeah,
Nah,
but...
appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
Yeah, Mr. Dillan. Should I call you Dillan or should I call you the ladies, man?
Nah, just call me Dillan, man. It's good.
Because I'm looking at the thing and I'm like, yeah, this guy, he looks like the girls are flocking me. Is it that? Or is that what?
Nah, it's calm, man. It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah. So what's good? What kind of artist are you? Are you a hip hop dancer or what?
Like I write everything that you hear, all the lyrics in terms of obviously the beat and the mix and master is done by, we have a team of people that help me with that. But I would consider myself as an R&B artist, but at times I do kind of just go with what the beat tells me to do, and I might start spitting, or I might start, you know what I mean?
Because I listen to some of your songs on YouTube, and it's quite a different. Some of them is a more softer side, and then you go in the harder side. I'm like, wow,
like
I'm gonna be taken back sometimes.
Well, hopefully we're gonna have a EP ready for mid 2018. So I want that EP to kind of just reflect what I am as an artist, as a person, and hopefully you'll be able to get a full mirror image of, but just by listening of myself, just by listening to that's what I want. My aim is to portray myself, and reflect that in the music, and so hopefully you'll see the full body of work, you'll see the full person.
Yeah. So are you a new artist, or are you?
I'm definitely a new artist. This is only my second track that's on Mixtape Madness.
Okay.
But I've been writing music since the age of 13.
So may I ask? Should I say how old are you?
Oh, I'm 23.
You're 23. Okay,
Yeah,
man's not afraid to say his age, because you know a lot of man's like, oh, I ain't gonna give my age away, because.
No, why? What's the?
You know, sometimes the honeys are checking and what's his age? Is he your baby or what?
Nah, 23 is calm.
See, he said it. He said it. Oh gosh, so you've been doing music for the last couple of years, you said?
Yeah, man. I've been writing music since 13. It was me and my brother, actually.
Okay.
He started making beats, and then I just started writing lyrics, and it was just something that came naturally. And then I did it up until the age of 17, and we actually had a group called Dcash. Obviously, like, his name's Akash, my name's Dillan, so we just put it together.
It works,
little
innit?
Kids, innit?
But it sounds good though.
But yeah, we was just like putting stuff together, and obviously now at that age of 17, I felt, let me just hound down on the sound. Obviously, you grow up as a person, you go through experiences as well.
Are you one of them lab rats are you one of them lab rats that do everything yourself? You sing, you produce the music, Oh, you don't do that.
Like, I like to write all the music, like lyrics in terms of that. But beats, I've worked with Major Chips, who's my producer, and we basically work together to make beats, and any beats online as well. I've been using it, but more recently I've just been working with Major Chips, and we've just been making different types of tracks, man.
Are you going to be staying predominantly into hip hop, R&B? Or are you going to be crossing different genres?
No, we'll be crossing genres. Like we got one like Afro beats track. We got like some R&B tunes. Then like there's two tunes which I'm just like spitting on, like totally spitting on.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a mix and match, man. Like I just want to be able to express my whole personality, and I don't think I can do that just by singing. You know what I mean?
I can see. Definitely you need to be doing other stuff to be getting the other sides of it, because I definitely see that there's more sides to you than that's what the quite obvious you're a singer. Obviously, because as I said, I watch the videos and I see different types of music, different formats. So that's why I was wondering if that's the only direction you're gonna keep in the R&B section. Nah,
I think predominantly it's gonna be R&B. Like we're gonna be the main focus for me. Like I love singing. I've always loved. I was even thinking today that we got so many good R&B UK artists, and like I want R&B to become a thing. Like again, you know what I mean?
So who's doing it for you now in R&B scene in the UK?
Obviously Angel.
He's the killer.
Angel's the man. You got Marcus Ari.
Yeah, I know the names. Yeah.
He's sick.
But UK is doing very good now. On a whole, the whole front of UK is
the
doing
whole
good.
scene is just blowing up. But I want R&B to come in and look. There's a little bit more, you know. What I mean?
But there's a room for you then. That means there's room for you, innit?
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna have to do work, because you're gonna have to do lots of work to outshine some of these guys. That's
It's a
out
UK
there right
rap's
now.
obviously at the top and is doing its thing, man. But I want our singers to start being at the top. Like I want our tunes being the ones that's being played it like all the time.
What are you gonna do to make the change that? What's Dillan's gonna do to change?
I just gotta keep putting out good R&B songs, good music basically. Just that's all I'm trying to focus on. Just putting out good music, things that I think that I would like, my friends would like, you know what I mean. And then hopefully organically, the right people will like you. You know what I mean. Just keep doing yourself. And
any performance in recent months or?
Yeah, we did one performance a couple months ago. That was my first performance back. Like, 'cause obviously I stopped music until 17, and then my first performance properly was last month. We did one in Brighton.
Okay.
And it was working with like a couple different artists, showcasing them, like J Daco, Rams was there. But yeah, now we're just gonna I'm looking for any opportunity to get involved in radio performances or even with live performances.
Yeah, because I see you working. I know I admire when artists go out there and do the groundwork, the footwork.
Yeah.
As I see you doing a bit of that, and that is very commendable, because most of the time, these artists, whenever they do a song, they're expecting that people to come and get it from you. No, it's not always like that.
Getting the song is just like 20%, and then obviously you have to do the video, and then you have to be willing to put it out there as well.
And that's true, and I can see that you're moving in a step into a forward direction in terms of that. In terms of your production side of it, you said that you have a manager, right?
Yeah. Well, we got Rena here. She's my manager.
She's a manager, Miss Rena. She's looking all posh in the side grounds, looking at us. Yeah, she's just making sure that everything's going all right.
Yeah. We got Rena's my manager. Then I'm working with Major Chips, who's my producer. Working with Squizzle, who mixes and masters the track alongside with Jovis Productions. They help me with Wine For Me. We're getting basically the body of work together as a team, and we're gonna we got a couple nice things coming, man. Just excited to get it out there.
Okay.
It's got to be right first before we put it out. You know
That's right. So you don't have any materials on iTunes or Spotify yet? You don't have anything out there?
It's funny, like we're actually just sorting that out. Like we're
it's on track. It's coming.
It's within the next few weeks.
That's right. She's doing her job. Make sure you're doing the job, and we like that. All right. So do look out for Dillan.
So
He's gonna
Wine For Me is gonna be on Spotify within the next few weeks. On all digital platforms, and then from there we're gonna start building up the tracks on there.
The tracks on there,
yeah, 100%.
Yeah, but we definitely look forward for that, and we do commend you of doing what you're doing, and it's a pleasure to have you on set with us today.
I appreciate you having me.
But any artist that comes on set with us, we normally take them down the road. You know that road?
Yeah. You're gonna try to stick it on me. I know.
Yeah, because everyone comes and say that you're an artist. Yeah, you can listen. We're not gonna be telling him what you're playing. You just drop any track, and he's an artist. You get a microphone and there's a beat, right?
Okay, let's try it.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Dillan live here on Flames Radio, freestyle, one-on-one, microphone. Dragon, let's go.
First time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips said hello and I said hi, and I was so caught up in physical attraction. Wait, bro, we need a faster beat than this, man. I need to, do you know what I mean? Well, he's gonna try to make me get emotional on radio and that.
I'm telling you, but all right, listen, we're gonna switch it up a bit again, all right?
Yeah.
Let's switch it up. We catch him off guard just now, but let's go again.
Yeah,
ready up, let's go.
That one, you know.
KK on the beats.
you're getting me. She's so bad, she can feel it right through my jeans. I'm passing around the pics, I'll be bossing around to all my G's. You'll catch us in the whips, in the strips, looking lit, looking litty. Stacking up them P's in the 50s. Say you're rolling up, now you know you're rolling with me with a girl that's looking pretty. Oh yeah, Oh, these are what caught me off guard, you know. These are caught me off guard. Chelsea.
We got him off guard right here.
Do one more. Do you want one more?
Do you want one more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. All right. This is Dillan once more right here in Flames Radio. I think I'm gonna join him on this freestyle. You ready?
Yeah, go on.
I don't think the ladies ready for you. Go for the ladies, right? You ready?
She's so bad, she can feel it right through my jeans. I'm passing around the pigs, I'll be bossing around to all my G's. You'll catch us in the whips, in the strips, looking lit, stacking up them P's in the 50s. Say you're rolling up, now you know you're rolling with me. Oh, I don't think they're getting me, no. Yeah, London nights when it's cold, on the bus going home, yeah, my face is getting baked to bakeboard and roads, no. Oh, I don't think you're getting me, no, yeah. I don't think you're getting me, no. I don't think you're getting me. Oh, she's so bad, no. I don't think you're getting me, no. Flipping these flows, I'm thinking you know. Oh, I'll get in boast. Oh, we doing the most. Oh, nah, these all caught me off guard.
No, that was wicked. So you catch up. We started a bit rocky. Yeah. But you catch up in the end. Remember, you can follow him at
Dillan Music. So it's DILLAN Music 94. Yeah, just that's all my socials. Twitter, Instagram. And don't worry, next time
he's gonna be coming back next time.
Like these aren't even giving no warnings. Nah, don't worry. Nah, thank you. I appreciate.
Thank you very much for coming through, brother.
Nah,
love, respect, and all the best for you in the future, right?
Thank you, man.
Remember, stick and say this is the Upnlive show each and every week right here on Flames Radio. Remember, you can log on to the website www.worlmagtv.com. Click onto the Upnlive tab, and you can see all the videos that we've done before. Remember, like, subscribe, and share right here on Flames Radio. Up next.